Background and history. Introduction to AI and global governance. The intersection of AI and global governance involves the regulation and policymaking surrounding artificial intelligence technologies on a global scale. Historical context. Early attempts to regulate emerging technologies, such as the regulation of nuclear technology and biotechnology, laid the groundwork for discussions on AI governance. Evolution of AI regulation. AI regulation and policy have evolved over time, responding to technological advancements and emerging challenges in AI development and deployment. Influence of technological advancements. Technological advancements in AI, including breakthroughs in machine learning and automation, have highlighted the need for regulatory frameworks to address issues such as bias, privacy, and ethical concerns. Role of international organizations. International organizations and treaties, such as the United Nations and the OECD, play a crucial role in shaping AI governance by developing standards, guidelines, and frameworks for responsible AI development and deployment. Historical impact. Examination of historical impact. AI regulation has had a significant impact on technological development, influencing the direction of AI research, investment, and innovation. Landmark policies and regulations. Landmark policies and regulations, such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the United States National AI Strategy, have shaped the AI landscape by addressing issues such as data privacy, algorithmic accountability, and ethical AI development. Societal and economic implications. Past regulatory decisions have had profound societal and economic implications, impacting areas such as job displacement, consumer protection, and national security. Reflections on effectiveness. Reflecting on the effectiveness of historical governance approaches involves assessing their ability to address AI-related challenges while balancing innovation, competitiveness, and societal well-being. Influence on current regulatory efforts. Historical debates and controversies surrounding AI regulation have informed current regulatory efforts, shaping the priorities, strategies, and approaches of policymakers, industry stakeholders, and civil society organizations. Historical milestones. Key milestones. Key milestones in the history of AI regulation and policy include the establishment of regulatory bodies, the introduction of legislative acts, and the development of international standards and guidelines. Influential policymakers and organizations. Influential policymakers, scholars, and organizations, such as the AI Now Institute and the Center for Democracy and Technology, have contributed to the development of AI governance frameworks and initiatives. Landmark regulatory initiatives. Landmark regulatory initiatives, such as the Algorithmic Accountability Act and the Montreal Declaration for Responsible AI, have played a pivotal role in shaping the AI ecosystem by addressing issues such as transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems. Development of international standards. The development of international standards and guidelines, such as the ISO, IEC, JTC1, FC42 standards for AI, has facilitated global cooperation and harmonization in AI governance efforts. Role of public awareness. Public awareness and advocacy have played a crucial role in driving regulatory change, mobilizing support for AI governance initiatives, and holding policymakers and industry stakeholders accountable for their actions. Technological advancements. Advancements shaping regulatory challenges. Advancements in AI technologies, such as deep learning and autonomous systems, have posed new regulatory challenges related to safety, security, and ethical use. Impact on governance. Breakthroughs in machine learning, robotics, and automation have had a profound impact on governance, prompting policymakers to develop adaptive regulatory frameworks capable of addressing emerging risks and opportunities. Integration of AI in regulatory processes. The integration of AI-driven decision-making systems in regulatory processes has raised questions about transparency, accountability, and the potential for algorithmic bias and discrimination. Challenges posed by emerging technologies. Emerging technologies, such as synthetic biology and quantum computing, present unique regulatory challenges that require interdisciplinary collaboration and foresight in anticipating their societal implications. Opportunities for enhancing regulatory effectiveness. Despite the challenges, AI technologies also offer opportunities for enhancing regulatory effectiveness and efficiency through the use of AI-driven tools for monitoring, compliance, and enforcement. Challenges and risks. Ethical and legal challenges. Regulating AI technologies involves addressing complex ethical and legal challenges, such as defining accountability, liability, and responsibility in cases of AI-related harm or misconduct. Risks of bias and discrimination. There are risks of bias, discrimination, and privacy violations in AI-driven systems, raising concerns about fairness, transparency, and equity in AI governance. Impact on employment and inequality. The impact of AI on employment, economic inequality, and societal stability raises questions about the role of regulation in mitigating negative consequences and promoting inclusive growth and prosperity. Regulatory challenges in a global context. Regulatory challenges in AI governance are compounded by the global nature of AI development and deployment, requiring international cooperation and coordination in addressing shared risks and challenges. Role of stakeholders. Perspectives on the role of government, industry, academia, and civil society in addressing AI governance challenges highlight the need for multi-stakeholder collaboration and engagement in developing inclusive and effective regulatory frameworks. Future prospects. Speculation on future trends. Speculation on future trends in AI regulation and policy involves exploring emerging regulatory frameworks, approaches, and governance models capable of addressing the evolving nature of AI technologies and their societal implications. Exploration of emerging fields. Exploration of emerging fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation offers opportunities for applying AI technologies to address societal challenges while ensuring responsible and ethical use. Opportunities for collaboration. Opportunities for international collaboration and cooperation in AI governance provide avenues for sharing best practices, harmonizing standards, and building consensus on common values and principles. Importance of adaptive regulation. The importance of adaptive and flexible regulatory mechanisms underscores the need for regulatory frameworks capable of adapting to rapid technological change and evolving societal needs and values. Challenges in implementation. Despite the opportunities, challenges in implementing AI regulation and policy remain, requiring sustained commitment, resources, and political will from governments, industry stakeholders, and civil society organizations. Controversies and debates. Adequacy of current regulatory efforts. Debates surrounding the adequacy and effectiveness of current AI regulatory efforts highlight the need for continuous monitoring, evaluation, and adaptation of regulatory frameworks to address emerging risks and challenges. Impact on innovation. Critiques of regulatory approaches for their potential impact on innovation and competitiveness raise questions about balancing regulatory oversight with the need for fostering AI innovation and development. Ethical debates. Ethical debates regarding the governance of AI technologies and their societal implications underscore the importance of promoting ethical awareness, diversity, and inclusion in AI governance processes. Role of stakeholders. Controversies surrounding the role of government, industry, and civil society in AI governance highlight the need for transparent, accountable, and participatory decision-making processes that reflect the interests and values of diverse stakeholders. Balancing regulatory oversight. Perspectives on balancing regulatory oversight with the need for fostering AI innovation emphasize the importance of striking a balance between promoting responsible AI development and supporting entrepreneurial creativity and experimentation. Additional information. Resources for further reading. Resources for further reading on AI regulation and policy provide opportunities for deepening one's understanding of the legal, ethical, and societal dimensions of AI governance. Information on organizations. Information on organizations and initiatives working on AI governance issues offers opportunities for engagement and collaboration in advancing responsible and ethical AI development and deployment.